He's a man I watch everything. So me and them big, nothing no pass me. I do when I'm try DJ like forget my style on 2021. Them say me done.
How come?
You can't judge a book by cover because you don't know what they end up done. But when you know somebody different from when you see them and I listen to their music.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, this man hasn't been in the city in about 5 years. He just put out a new reggae EP, and he had his album a couple months before that. You know, we have in the building today, we have Iwaata, the player god, in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Much, yeah. You know, it's time I play my father, man. There and I freeze,
Welcome back to the place, boss.
Yeah, until say we have a tour from last year, October, don't try. And the embassy never grant me visa that time, so we'd have to wait until around February then give it. So we get it now. We have a show. When we have the show, child. Now we get the visa last year, February. And then we have back a show this February. And the flight canceled 2 times. And they reach now.
Listen, and nothing before this time. When you're supposed to reach in the place, you're supposed to reach in the place. Again, how many times you been in the city before?
Like 3 times.
3 times.
What like is I perform one time like for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's with tonight. I murder tonight. Full force, man.
Because we're said how you're the only one on the show, you get to give them the full playbook. You understand?
One play night game and 1 minute spell, man. My body side modest thing, you know.
You know that?
Yeah, Tryoton me apart, you know.
Listen, from your fire with them, man.
Yeah,
when he came to the door, I said, hold on, I thought you were going to open the door with your sunglasses on, because you know them, man, they love them dark out there. Right?
Yeah, man, it just take it off. It just take it off.
Yeah. You know how it goes. I know originally, uptown, Kentire.
Yeah. Back in Kentire.
Yeah, man, what was it like growing up in Kentire them times?
You don't know Kentire is an inner city, and you don't know you have greats like Sassin. You don't know you have Capleton, you see that tavern. Roundhead, them you see that tavern too. You see me? All of our artists come from over there, you see me? So it's a place what we call the college, because it's an inner city where rough too. So where you want, you put out there. So we do music, you don't know, and embrace the culture, embrace the place, and do what the assassin thing do.
Yeah.
You see me? Lift the bar again. So big up Papi, big up Kentire studio.
Definitely. Because I know your family, they're involved in music some way, somehow. How are they involved with music?
You're going now. I'm more than a music, you know. A sound system used to in my yard. My grandfather used to have a studio. You see me? He used to run the stream and everything there. You see me I say? So I'm more than a music. My granduncle used to give me the microphone before me even can talk. And come ever itch up around the arms and everything.
You like the lights?
I never for cool and all the speakers.
Yeah.
I like, man, because you learn anything different.
The college?
Yeah, the college, man, I tell them, man, because them time there, you have a Capleton, them, you have Beanie, man, you have Bunty, them, and DJ in my yard.
In your yard?
Yeah, and Sony and Rockers. Isn't it? My yard was one of them yard there.
So then you've seen the song from time, but was that something you really wanted to get involved with, or it's just later on in life you just happened to get involved with?
I could escape music, you know, I try football in a work, you know, because on my thing. So I usually play the drum from primary school, the kettle drum.
Okay.
Yeah, and go hold it a place, go do like liquor theater and then play. So I used to play the drum. So when me in our 7th grade now, I start make my own lyrics them. Because I used to name Smurf first, you know. Yeah, we used to name Smurf first. Who watch it them know, man. We used to name Smurf first, but you used to have DJ Smurf.
Yes, so ZJ Smurf. Yeah, man.
So like 2008, I got my auntie shop. My auntie that age at my dad's shop, and I see my play outside and hear DJ Smurf. So I say, I can't hear Smurf, I can't hear Smurf. Isn't it? So I say, alright then, I need a name. How I get my name? I'm grandfather, I got my grandfather again pass. How I get my name now, I tell you how I get the name. I'm usually allergic to a plant. Whenever it blossom, it irritates my eye then when I look on it. So then I have to get rid of it out of the yard. So whenever my eye irritate and get ready and call me Iwaata, because it just run naturally. So when you call me Iwaata now, so it resonate in my head and I say, I need a name now, say, Iwaata. So I say, when I go say Iwaata, I come from inner city. Iwaata, the signature, the folk car, hear the most you cry. You see me, all in have victorious moment to cry still.
So crying is the...
So that's why I come up with the name Iwaata. Because my grandfather, as I tell her, he give me the name Iwaata, so me I say, alright then, I'm going to use it. And nobody know him, sir. It's just different, because he's a different man, you know. Yeah, totally different from the rest.
Well, you know that, because even when I first started to hear that name, you know, I thought you were a Rasta youth them time.
Yeah, everybody said that, man. The first time them hear me, them I look for see a Rasta, man, you know?
Yeah.
But you don't know. We have the culture a lot, man. See, to grow the Rasta too, you know.
Well, I could tell, listen, as we get down in the conversation, you'll hear it.
Poppy in. You have the drummer beat in the park and the incense and bun beer Rasta out there, you know. Capleton used to keep a show out there, you know. And a normal thing when I'm working, all the wire them and just fire. Yeah, everybody uptown know me I talk about, man. You see it? You have Roned, them who come from there. You have Jackie, usually I see them. All of them, man, you hear me, I call them known.
Oh, Baby Wayne them was
Baby
all out
Wayne
there,
them,
yes.
all of them. Baby Wayne come from that one part name. Away. A tavern, you know, you have a part run a tavern. Run the same come from.
And you remember seeing all of them, man.
Yeah, as a youth, man. 92 me born, as I born in the 90s.
Right, with everything.
90s, yeah. I'm all in it. Everything in the 90s, I'm my own.
Yeah.
That's why I'm evil. Behave the way I want to behave. You see it?
Because you catch the 90s and the 2000s, you just put it together.
Yeah, because
and this is what I want.
90s, I come up in a now age, so I have the two things then, you see me?
Yeah.
Ramp with them, wicked. That's why I'm go reggae. A long time, try, I tell myself to go reggae.
We soon talk about it. I got some thoughts about that. We're going to talk about that just now. We're just trying to get the Iwaata journey, because I know you're a man, you do interviews, you know, but you don't really do too much sit down and what a vibe. You know what I mean?
You don't know. Yeah, man.
So then, okay, Smurf was the original. Did you start to actually get into music as Smurf, or when you got into music, it was Iwaata?
Now, when I get in music, I don't have a name already, because me as a youth, you know, I do my homework from yard, you know. You see, when I go to school, I not DJ and them thing there, you know. If you know this, I not to do them thing they see me, because I don't want a man thief me thing, you see, kite are different, because I think them different, you see my father. So I have my name already, and I work on the delivery. Usually DJ rough, because I rate Aidonia. You see me? They come on in and kill them the big, because I know this when they want them more people have a set, so come like you something say, yeah, I wonder what that. So I saw me men's music, me don't have prepare and I practice. So when me stay so now and get the jump out at 2019, cut
off, yeah.
Me I say, yo, look, me that's someone was from 2016, because I'm a DJ a long time. I DJ a long time. I can't even count the years.
Let's put it this way. I found a video on Sting, 2014, and you were on it, you know, boss. 2014.
I'm a DJ way before that. 2014, I'm a birthday that. I can't forget that.
Boxing Day, yes, man. December 26th, yeah, man.
Yeah, so you see all them things there now. You see that day there? At 4 o'clock. I mean, even my first time I keep a party call, man. I never go left it. The first time I keep a local party, I never go left it. 4 o'clock in the day. Sting and my Virginia style like so oversit. So I said, I'm going to opportunity this in a father. Me a parent, I said, get me in pan it. So you don't know, I say, when I go there like, you know, I did there watch it, you know. And I look for me and I say, me just draw close, I skip around 2 man, because the man is skill. The man is trick around there in a father. So I skip around. Test them, and you know. We just run out. I can't tell you. We just run out.
Yeah.
I mean, I know the rhythm. I don't rehearse or nothing. I go with it because my friend at host it, so I must have to get a call. You see me run out, as I come off the stage, I see my phone. Be people come and say them see me pass Sting. You know, as a little youth, I say, yo, John, boots.
Listen, that's the big, you don't get any bigger than Sting them time there, you know, boss.
Yeah, and the year there, that one big Sting to you know. The year there, 14. Yeah, man, Massacre and thing there that clash them time there. Them want to come and I can't tell you, man. I come out of the car for run back in there, be a madness.
Yeah.
Me there want next thing to, but me never get for work. Or I see him Sting. Gage and thing that they dip on the stage and Tamale,
2014.
Yeah, man.
Possibly, yes.
Me there right. If you have them video, then me there right. On the second layer thing page, I watch it. And be animosity I go on.
Yeah.
Me there. You see me?
Just waiting,
Me
wondering when you're going to get your
work
bus.
from after 7. Remember me after 4, you know. Work after 7. And then I watch everybody I work. Till me can't stay around no more than tell you say, you have to come out, friends, because it change up now. Big artists, them come around. Me I try, me come around now. I go live up here that too, man.
It was 14. You see, the thing with this thing keeps every year. So a lot of times in my mind, a lot of it is.
Yeah, man. I see me go live up. Yeah, man. I see him hear everything one, man.
Yeah.
Me squeeze you and reach on that media room, because them have one media room before you reach on the stage. I say, me go around there and I see go live up. Me I say, yo, he's a madman, this, you know. So nobody can't tell me say me nah go boss. Me just go and do it, because enough things me see and me I say, yo,
You must boss.
you must boss, because this man I will see where they take him from. See him? He's a madman.
And you
And
know, say,
back
you're
there,
not
the
mad.
headline of his thing, and me there look much police and girl running, and him slap him face with something so. And I'm on to yo, come out here, so we are doing here, so me have to come out. We can't say, you know, fi in there. My time work already.
Yeah.
I me have a blue shirt and an orange pants, so me can't hide. You see me? So me have to go in there, I keep fast direction, go in there, I can't sleep till me suit, you know. I can't, you know.
Because it's
Catch
stinging
it
up,
go around. A sting, everything a sting, man. When me wake up now, I'd massacre them on the stage and them and one bag of eruption then time there. You see me? Then I have to sleep back in the car.
Yeah.
You know when me sting? After 9 in the morning.
Way over by Portmore.
Yeah, I have to go back up a pin.
But even that, you brought up your breakout song. Because you saw you DJ a long time. It was 2019. You got the cut
See
off.
me DJ, me and him grew in name quality. Him have a son. You see him? Him used to have a son. You know the oil jug them? You can also? The man cut out them and put the speaker them in night and set them up. Brother, listen man. The man to do music. So me I try say, you see all them thing that them man down on you to show me say, yo, don't stop.
Try any way
Father,
to get
I
it
do
done.
it from nothing. Me I tell her I do it from nothing. Me usually voice, you know. When you can't stop, you know. Listen, man, me
straight
a
to
33,
dumpling,
no
boss.
father. See, me a 33. Me a voice from you can't stop.
No
When Dan
punching.
Carly on it down, Mona. See him? Him used to have a studio run a Mona.
Vendetta.
See it there? Pop. No? Yeah. See him? He used to have a studio run a Mona and Virgin. I was have a Virgin and Papi. And he ain't go do a thing for somebody. And I say, oh, this sound, so. Come usually go and place near all flats, you know. Go give them all of my lunch money for a week, you know. 100 a day, me I get in time, then I forgot school, you know. 07, you know. I never sang near 1 o'clock, you know. All of my 500 of my mother gamble and give me in my yard. My cat was studio, you know, so. She know, say, she put it on it just on now when I vase them. The daily, the vase. So when she come back and she not see it, she a wait for me, say she and my granny and wait for me in the yard. And I say, yo, John, you know, nah beat me tonight, you know. And pop out me CD out of my waist, you know, and say, yo, me an artist.
Yeah.
And play it and say, yo, me use the money and do this.
And I'm all right.
And from that, they know so that me I'm gonna do. You see?
Because even, okay, so you're saying 07. Because I know you had the cut-off jeans from like 6, 7, 8 years before I actually got the boss, you know.
Me have the cut off jeans song from around 09 or 10. And when I know Redboom, I go voice a song. See him? I go voice a song for Redboom Bridging. And then he must say, yo, never read him more your ear. See him? And I say, all right then, father, that I run after 2 in the morning, go me if I go home, you know. And then I have a charter taxi from Kent, I go to while in a friend's house, you know. He said, the man played it, the man here, knock. I say, roll out in me, cut off jeans. And I sing it, I sing it, I say, yo. He said, a style we have, I say, yeah, watch that. So he can't help me construct it. You see me? So me I say, boom, you know, long never song, yeah. I made that one verse. I'm make it, me and Boom make the next verse. in the studio. And from that, I'm mainstream from that, man. I'm mainstream.
Cut off jeans.
Yeah, cut off jeans song that ears I have it. Oh no, I want to know that song like.
But it was just when you heard that rhythm, you just knew this was the rhythm for that song.
Yeah, because I'm tell you, say, me I train over the ears. Me I train. Used to have a little team named NTP, Natural Talent Production. Me that DJ I can tell you, but when I go over Portmore like in a 07, because 07 can tell you get ready now. So anytime over there get ready, until then, I'm mother ship me over there. So me there Portmore now and I say, further this thing here, man. So me know a youth named Nyan Bushman. Man, then can me down and look at studio and say, you have some Rasta down there and DJ, say, you're artist, you know. You must can try to do something down here, say, you know. Them time there, and knowing the a CPU computer. You see me? Yeah. And I can't use knowing the to and knowing the music to use. I can't use all of them, man. I can't do it like use it. Because the mother never have it and rap, go around the street and I watch me. Me is a man I watch everything. So me I them big, nothing no pass me. You see me? Me have to catch it because me carry the $500. Me nah have no money for the week, you know. And mother love me, she still have to give me much money. See him way.
You have to make it work.
Because it's off the work. So I saw me up and they done go around the street and all the man name they done. Start build up my thing. Till the man say, out of the road studio.
Yeah.
Gone one studio now, I don't remember what the studio name, but I think Magnum Kings and Queens upon. Well, you know, it's Magnum Kings and Queens, you see the try, man. On Kingston Spring Road, where Magnum show used to keep, they usually have one studio around there, so. See him? I'm a bridge named Sika. Came around a studio. See him? Or Vice, I rap like what? $850 man of internet me I go school, you know. It's our 09 this me I tell you about 2009, you know.
10 years before the break-in over.
In my uniform, you know. See them picture they go there on Google, you know. I mean wanna have a khaki hat, I can't forget, you know. I'm around there and chew me a young youth and my voice rough and big. Me there run there I warm up in a go in a song. Cause me show off to me know me can DJ now, you mean? Yeah, might a turbulence push the door, you know. And I say, who that? And the man see little man come around. Man say, sing that again. I go around and start speak big thing at 10 grand the man give me, you know.
So that's your first money out of music them time there.
The man give me $10,000 as a little youth. I go school. Just to hold the dad say, yeah, half a bus. You know, so when me get, I turn the other way, me see him. Which one me see him? I see him somewhere and I say, Father, remember me? And I say, yo, a whole heap of youth. But I say, Father, the studio, which from Magnum Kings and Queens used to do. Round they say usually have voice, internet turbulence, I run the place.
Yes, that 08, 09, yes, boss.
You see me?
Yes.
So I sure say, Father, the man give me the 10 grand. I know I say me have to make it. A big international artist that, you know.
He had notorious sometime.
So when me get the Tony the other way, I book him up so me and I say, Father, remember me? I me give the $10,000 man. Me I walk come from somewhere, me remember where I remember which point I road and I stop and see him and say, big up yourself in a rasta. You give me $10,000 09, you know. I must say, you want to hear this a little youth here tell me? From my little youth, I know the man a big man, so he must sing the song. To the other. I say, Father, you are one of them. Will give me the encouragement and say, yo, you're the baddest thing. And you're so young, I don't want to see you when you left school. You have a boss when you left school.
You believed in the talent.
Yeah. When me I go to school, nobody know me a DJ. I not come talk about, yo, my brother know me a DJ. I nah DJ make it hear.
Because you don't want them to steal the style.
No. Yeah. You know when me DJ, the last day me I left Papi in school, up on the field. Me and my brother know they say my DJ. So me say, DJ, no? It's when me start DJ, everybody look at me so like, I say, dog, you're wicked in my that's so you're mad, dog.
But
I say, listen, man, I know me I got DJ. I'm done school now. You see me?
Even those early times, how did you link up with Intence those early times there?
Them time the year go on, man. Remember, I'm a big youth for Intence, you see it? So, you been and do it and them serious do it, I saw them come do it. You see me? So we know him through as well. I say me and Quality and me done do my thing. He was an underground uptown artist. For a long time, I bust uptown, the whole of Puffy, Liga and Africa, all of them places are my place. You see me? So I saw now we did and we see him doing things. So we just say, alright then. We add to it and add to it. You see me? Big up boys here. Boys, he signed the tour and we work with them. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we just sprang off. I don't know.
Were you guys a duo or you guys were just more parting them time?
It wasn't a duo. You see it? Iwaata was Iwaata and him. You see me? So you don't know. Him learn from the thing. You see it? Them not go on talking about, then learn from the thing too. You see me? Yeah, we not afraid to talk. I write baddest thing. You see me? So them time there, then Ed never did it. But then Ed dead now, so you can see it. You see me?
Well, I chatting about man.
A school man, one play in a game, man.
Yeah. Even that, how did you come up with that tagline, you play God?
Father, you have to remember, say, when you press the play, you know, you just have to play, you know, like music. And music, you do. Music never stop playing. How long Bob Marley gone and the rest of them? Eh?
Long time.
Alright, long time. You see it? So I just show you, say, my thing them different as something where they in front of you, me use. You see me? Watch here, you know. A tavern quality I play, you know. See it? I play a tavern. I forgot my lyrics one at a time then.
What do you mean you forget your lyrics?
Cool man, then time they were youth a DJ or bodies, but more while I think they come up in your belly, you know. You see it? You know your lyrics, you know, but the amount of people there you want to go in it, them time they may tell you the truth more than me get them at them time there. I hesitant, you know me, you know? So I little I say, watch out. I say, pull it up, color. So I start say, watch out.
Yeah.
Every mistake a style.
Come on, boss.
Nobody never know that. So I just saw my thing them is a natural thing. We not plan it, isn't it? The thing just natural.
For sure.
Like where I say, one play in a game, music never stop play. I mean that.
Never stop playing.
Yeah, play. Can't stop.
Next big tune. This is how I know you're versatile. You see when you did Clip Talk? That's how I know, okay. You had one style. We heard you had one style with the cut-off jeans, but then now when you came with this style there, no.
Yeah,
where did you even find a style like that?
Alright, you see that? You see this now? Them time I'm youth just I go born. No, I'm just born them time them around 3 months, you see it? So, I did it. I'm reaching uni, did it, and I say, oh, uni, I know, you know. You see me? Because the rhythm did it out like 4 months before. League up on it, you see it? So I did it and they give me rhythm and I have the rhythm around 4 months and I say, yo, I'm ready for it. But my son dip on my mind and I say, yo, I have to go make it right now. I don't care a serious thing this now, you know. You see me? I'm did it, you know, and their friends are every day and did it. See? So my auntie have a Honda, you know. And to come for the Honda. And my dad friends are you. So I don't have no car. I remember what going but at that they go on. You see me? Take the car from Union and gone. So I say, sign this, you know. So I look to Benji and I said, Benji, you have to give me a car, something, you know, dog. Benji say, yo, sing a song, DJ.
Yes.
You hear man say? The man say, sing a song. I'm going to sing a song.
That's how that song
You never have no money. I send you in the next door to the studio if you just want flask, a rum, you more rum. NS, you want flask, a NS, and flask of rum with orange juice. See me and me and them there. Then I boot and the rhythm I play and I did them time there. My head heavy as me I tell you. And then me and my little bridge and then kick off and if you notice how I started, they ever tree chat long, you know. The whole of this is natural. So after that, you know, say, yo, I tell them about one song or reggae, man, I say, put it on me, say, no. I did that a wicked tune than that. Everything we hear in a song, natural. You see how I voice it? I say it got quality. That's my selector, because every song I voice, I say it got
quality.
And when I mix it, I'm saying it go give man a dog play it and I say, yo, it sound wicked, you know. You see from that now, I covered that in there, remember? But that I covered, you know. Nobody not to go out, you know, so some little thing up on the internet and it, you know. So we did it and ram with it now. And it a go and play but him have it. And just one little part now. We go down at Denham Town, go do one video for Boom Boom. Song name Who Run Boy. Boom Boom. And we done with that video there. And they down at Denham Town, down there we do it and they did one little party I keep. Whole heap of pitney there. If you're looking at the video, be a pitney. It's a gun song.
In a bad man song?
Yeah, cause no gun there, be a pitney there.
Yeah.
See it? The whole life pitney them run out, come there and take picture with me and my brethren want to play the song. The man say him just press it. Man say something tell him say just play it, Reggae. Man press it, the place go wild. So me stay song, take off my shirt, turn me back way and go out the back in me go. And that stay so. Me buy now one next and shoot with the pan, you know. And the man just press it so, you know. And you see when me see the crowd go wild with the picking them. Oh, I say
You don't say I catch it.
what? They go to the next part and shoot. Be a picnic. I said, they see that part there. But press it on the internet. So viral, it go first time that me go viral, like real viral.
Yeah.
Everywhere me see it, everywhere me see it. And I said, that I could done up the video. I never did done up yet, you see it. So I done up the video now. And I said, they drop the video now, man. I could drop the video now, call the whole place. I call it. I said, drop the song. So I drop the song now. Never have a song again so much traction so fast. Yeah, like views, everything, and I play instant, just start play. To me, have to sing over the clean version, really wanted. Everything, I say, yeah man, father, eat this.
Because this is like the third, this is probably your third strong song that you have at this point here.
Yeah, man. So, I did it and I start sitting and move away and I say, one month time, I say, yeah, I go back on a toil now. Did it, you know, at the studio. Man, I said, I go around the road and want party. Man, I said, I show you say a song, boss. And then I COVID at some part where I keep in a yard.
Of course,
yeah.
With some poured box and them thing, the boss.
You see, I go around there. And man, I say, I'll sing over the song. I make it play. And sing over it. And then the Sirata, them, and I have the punch out yet where you can sing on the rhythm.
Okay.
Never have the Sirata, they never have that. So I have to sing over the song. It's when I started from them this one, the man them need, don't have friends to drop a ground. I say, boss, gone.
Yeah, I mean.
I'm post that video there, it go viral again. Until we go to the studio now and start the dub. The first day when we do about 50 dub Benjamin we do one night.
So much one time, boss.
Yeah. 50. I saw me know some boss. I'm start see the money I come.
But this is even another level in your career again. Now when you linked up with Franc White them.
Yeah,
Frank
them
White. To do ton back way.
Turn the other way?
Ton the other way, boss.
Alright. You see Cliptal, Smurf record it down at French Soil and Franc White mix it.
Okay, so you're linking with Franc White from those times there.
I linked with Franc White for years, man. Years. Long time. Long time before. Them man know about Franc White. Before them start, you would have big Frank, we are linked with Franc White from them time. I just, everything I say, I book him up because me link one time, I say, and rate the style and want me give him a tune and I say, I get a link. So next you link me, I'm going to reach down, I see him in the studio and I see Franc White again. So from this the connection forward black. So as I tell you, say, Franc White mix, Cliptal. Revise, turn the other way, a Death Roll song. Me and Death Roll produced turn the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, CPM on my label, you know. Yeah, that label is from my son. One, you see it? Yeah, long time we set up our thing them. As I tell you, say, everything is set for years. As unfolding.
It seems like your moves are intentional moves. Because again, you, as I said, from 2014, now it's 2026. That's 12 years, and you were DJing before that, you know. It's like your thing was intentional. You didn't get the real take off one time, but you build.
Yeah, man. Build up, man. God, gradually we get in there. You know. We're not jumping the line no further. We know about slow process better than no process and no progress. You see it?
Yeah.
You can't run as you're born. I never see a baby just born and start walk.
But most people don't see it that way. They wanna run right now, because even in 2020 when you got the big song, you were busting almost as a you had songs before, but remember 2020 is what enough artists busting a bus.
True.
So it's almost like you were in that same link with those artists there. That's how a lot of the people are seeing you.
Them jump out.
Almost like you're a COVID artist, but you've been around way before COVID. When you jumped out that time again.
Yeah. Always I go jump out. Always I go find song. I believe in a God. You see it, right? God fearing you. You see me I say? God is love. You see me? So we know say we have to pray and hold our meditation and stay far from all distraction and all noise when necessary. You see, make one little thing will chip your whole mood in and your whole entire career gone on the journey. You know?
One, you know?
Yeah, just one. Even a text alone and how you read the text, you trigger off something there, and you tell your friend them and then it get done and then everything just one text.
One.
So me just keep my circle small because we've been in the game for years now, like 7 years, my boss. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're still not reach where we want to reach it, but we're grateful to see him because you don't know. So you're say 5 years, my father Canada. You see me? So we've been at do it
still
for that. Yeah, we're still at do it. We've been at do it.
As I walked through the door, as I said, the first one I seen, I was surprised they didn't have any sunglasses, darkers, was Tryoton.
Yeah, man.
How did you link with Tryoton? Because remember, Tryoton now is a established producer. Franc, White, them, they were hot, you know, doing their thing. But Tryoton is a next level altogether.
Yeah, all right. We know Tryoton in the business, you As a youth, you know. You know them man, that's what you say, now, fully established, you know. You see me? I say body I work right through. You see me? Them man they teach about a thing called, what we doing ever use? Production. The man they tell you say DJ. Of production you need, man. I ever wonder where my talk. You see me? Yeah, I ever wonder where my talk. So I say DJ need production. Cause remember, them man they are different type of producer up in a ranking. Cause that in my talk. The song them not produce properly and them not go about it. So I say, oh, true, you know. Say bugger them look at something them not work. So me know Tryoton now for work with him. Kino 4-star. That's my family, that is it. Yeah, big up Kino 4-star. So him now say, yo, Tryoton want voice, you know. Yo, me say Tryoton want voice. Me I say, Tryoton want voice, me. I start the deep in me. I say, boy can't tell me nothing, man. She say, when they want voice, she say, you know, say, have the rhythm. And me don't voice the rhythm. Me not intentionally never want voice it, you know. I have it now my intention for deep, but you don't know.
The stars getting a line.
And I be moving up and down and I say, yo, John, I'm going to Franc and even I see me, I say, John, my father, yo, the next one can't miss me. So then give me the next one. My voice for it. But them know me never left it. And anything me have, boy, me ready. That one day. See? And then voice on next one. The second one I song again. Voice, second song, but you see third song I say, no, and I'm go up by studio the link, you know. But me have studio too, you know.
Okay, so you were voicing and sending it over.
Yeah.
But now you're gonna be in the studio.
Yeah, I do two, but my voice on my studio. The third one now, cause them alright, them body now, but me I say no, I try it and this, you know. I forget a hit song, cause me is a youth, you know, so many meds, you know. I can't work with you, it not work. Nah, but I do it.
Worse if you're this big producer.
Yeah, your chances for reach one next level now. So you know something did then. I say, then two songs in my voice on my studio. I say, yo, then the next song. I don't have that in my head, so I didn't know one. I did I look on Instagram and I see one Charlie Black song, Gateway, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, where you find this? Charlie Black come to Canada, they want even, and tell me, say, tell Tryoton, say, for voice upon the rhythm, see? Voice me upon the rhythm.
Yeah.
You see me? So, me and him talk, so I link to him, I say, Tryoton, oh, you not give me that rhythm there? Then I go up to Monday and I go see him and I see the song, the whole place lift up. But for me, you get the whole that it go viral in the week before when I say yes, I see it. I say, yo, I say, try a morning early, me a father. I say, try me a father morning, though. From morning, me a call on the man, I say, father, when we can go to studio? Father, I'm ready.
You're ready.
And I can feel something in my ear. And I hear it. Because so, you know, what them say? DJ ears cock up in the ear, boom rhythm.
Yes, boss.
And I like Shabbat tell, brother, I hear me eat tonight. See? Because I have Tony the other way in time there. You know? So I say, right now, I want next one beside that.
Just said,
Brother, I run a Franc quite and say, hey, Franc, come in and go link Tryoton, you know. We nah voice it run so. Me nah voice it and me have me go link him, guy third song this is half it. So I go around there, go in the studio. Then I'm gonna say, yo, me go around that Charlie Black say, just in on me head, you know, and say, yo, me go it, yo, me have to go around it, you know. If you don't go around it, you now get no recognition on the beat, you know.
yeah.
Music is a competition, you know. Nobody feel like a joke thing, you know.
Always.
Yeah, because
Friendly
you
or
depend
not
it.
friendly.
No,
It's
you have
always
to,
a competition.
everybody want to go hard, father.
Yeah.
So me I say, if me actually black this a girl, then my man go and big some party animal, you know, and man come find this now, me I say, yo, and him myself a voice on it. And what kind of wickedness this? Me boot and me did it. And I say, alright. Little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she come from Little London, one woman a Little London, one book me didn't know before, so. And so, that come up in a song, you know. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did that. And I said, yeah man, father, that punch man. So I start the verse. Oh, I start the verse. Y'all better welcome over to the verse of it. When I said, yeah. Did that, I watch her, you know. I go on, yeah, DJ. I watch him say, I said, no, I not look how I'm look. No, not look how I'm look.
When you'll know it when you see it.
Record, listen, no, man, when I do something, I feel I watch it engineer, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I like work with experienced people. Because you're a bad boy, you don't know how bad it is until you get somebody to bring out the real talent. See? Something did that. I'm here, the second verse come. Ding, 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 ding. Get that to your whole tight, that make it go on. I was like, yeah, DJ. So by the time I say, father, put that tie front, he must say, yeah, idiot, man. Do not do that. Come on, please make him hear it. You say me hear it? I say, all right, I eat that. Ooh, and drive out down in front. And that's around 15 minutes. See him down the line. By the time I drive going on the street, the man mix it off. And I say, father, this son are way in the next morning. I say, no, man. I start ramp with it, you know. Start ramp with it on TikTok same time.
Yes, that's where it got away. Yes,
Me do what TikTok. I say, father, I have to shoot this now. And get up on TikTok first. It boss over TikTok. See? So when it boss over TikTok now, I say, no, father, that song. And I wrote me I go do it. I say, father, get me a doctor suit. Yeah?
Yeah.
Get me a doctor suit where I do it a half a tree. Yeah, doctor. And get some girl and full up the bus and improvise. That go viral. One feature I post, you know. When me dip on the doctor step with the money them in my hand and who I say, yo, it fit here,
Smile up yourself,
Say,
smile
all right.
up yourself. One more.
Come on, half a tree, then you man, tone. So we just go in a character and the rest of it is history, man, as you can see. You see it? So at that when, as a man tell you, I saw me know Tryoton, Franc and first song. The first song I show on them, father.
First song, on the
I dancehall one.
yeah, man, that
I dancehall one, and then the second one,
one. Second one had the ISO. The first one.
ISO, like, yeah.
ISO had the second one. The first one, when the Bubbles had it gun 97 man.
Yeah, like man, share me more piece. Yeah.
The first.
The first
What's all
song.
that?
The first song. You see me? But you see third song, because you know, as I'm tell you, like third song,
It's a charm
Tryoton
boss.
this, you know. That should have been 3 hit song, you know. So me don't know, say a third one, me need to go link in my foot. I must eat now. I energy in a lie, you know. Me did it and record the tune and everything, and I say, yeah, man. From that,
God.
gone.
So was that when you decided to actually sign to Tryoton, him as your manager that time, or this was before that happened?
No, we didn't do it. I mean, as a father, just do this, yeah, man. Yeah, man, God. Let's do this thing, yeah, done, yeah, like, and just send me for the brother, like, when me I do it, him been and do it. My mommy a dancehall artist. You see me? A man like Franc quite right, understand the assignment and boom, but it's a child now. The man a put in a big input, you see it? Yeah, because when we do dance, enough man a priest like it gone, you know. But me know say father, see that's something I created, it can't go away. You have to add to it. You see me? And I saw the man doing thing and mix it. You see me I say?
Because you have to remember, he doesn't just build a rhythm, you know. He's a producer. There's a difference with somebody that builds a beat
Complex,
or a rhythm
man, sound,
or a
man.
producer. Okay, so you know the thing already.
So now that, at that father, we know the history, you know, we not just sing like we're blind, you know. Big up Niger boy said, you know, but you see it? You're singing direction.
Fast, you're fast.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know.
That's the
Because, you know, even you guys doing your stuff and everything, but then you put out your album, your first actual body of work, Underrated.
All right. You know, so me did have one album and now, but it's now, as I may tell you, it's more while you have the talent, but you still not understand the assignment yet. So me have to push it aside and build up, and when we go know, try it and now, and see how things. So then man, I do enough major work, so I say, all right, right time now, because me gain one wicked traction now, me have songs now, a catalog build up. You see it? So me I say, father, me do the album, dog. You know, a big level deal. Me do it. You see me? See it there? Room. If you know me, head man, head sick. That's our first
Listen,
one.
you see, when I seen you guys campaigning that, when you guys did the video, when you guys were campaigning in New York, same weekend you guys did the Caribbean Music Awards.
Yeah,
And I see
yeah.
you and Aidonia in the streets in New York.
Yeah.
What was it, Brooklyn or Bronx?
Brooklyn.
When I seen the man, I said, yo, this one here. And you see even a rhythm there. Anybody that knows music know that's a sling thing. But
That's
how he
sling.
brought it back into the 2025, 2026 version, boss. I said, this is crazy, because you don't hear it at the beginning. It takes like a couple bars, and then the sing thing drop. And I said,
All right, I'll already in the. Me have it a while. Me have it a good while, and I say, father, this no, me already feed it in.
Yeah.
I have to truth yourself in a music, you know. Yeah, man, I took up again, I said, DJ one. And we did it, and post really, man, I did it, and I say, yo, bro, really, me a ton, you know. Did it really there reason, a man come with a bad vibes, and I say, and I say, father, no, if your voice no, you know, come say, you're nice right now, and that's some jagger, you know. And go in there, you know, room fast. We just go in there and that me head tell me to say. You see from me say, watch ya. If you know me, the whole of this are one go. I just a verse me make. One go. Straight, one go so. One go. Room.
so
A two song voice a night that you know, in a same, in a split a second, like 30 minutes, two collaboration.
so then so I guess the first collaboration obviously was Aidonia.
Yeah.
Okay, how did he get involved with that song there? Because I know you guys been linking from time, you
I'm
know.
mentor that man, see it, and as I say again, I Tryoton musical brother to is it. So
From time.
as I show you say, it thing, is it me? Time, fix any puzzle. Is it me? As I read that talk, boy, you can't just ban and run, you have to feel. Is it me I
Take
say?
time.
So me I tell you, say no, we do it and have it the rest of the album. Carry go did it. Yeah man, the man just walk around him house one time, man, and go in the studio. Sassy, and done.
And I seen the two of you guys in the studio same time, so it wasn't just like you're sending a verse or whatever. You guys in the studio same time, recording the visuals, recording the track, everything same time in the studio.
All right, you know, so we never visit the same studio though. When me I do my part, we do it at big yard studio and then we will link him up a film studio. You see me? Yeah. But it look like say,
Yeah,
and it's sound that way there.
the magic of music, boss.
Yeah, because we know right though. Remember my mentor that, you know. I do when I'm try DJ like to get my style on. Yeah, big sound there, you know. Lord evil from them there. Empty going from a long time there. Long time I listen to one of them. Isn't it? So I saw me to
07,
push my
08,
voice.
those times there.
And them time I learn for DJ come up, man. Isn't it? So me I say, alright then. Album for that. So that one there, the first one gaining traction, then you have winning, then you have when it's on him again, he make a talk at me here, boy. You see me? And then now, out of nowhere, this give me liquor it just run off. It just run off.
It's something with you and this. It seemed like you had a series, like a liquor series one time happening.
Yeah, I try to say, end time trouble them murder. Yeah. Nickel and bad and B. Yeah. Them murder. Yeah, anytime I go them murder.
That's your thing.
Come have one name bounce up and I say, Badam Budum, girl, Badam, you cute. Yeah. Yeah, so anytime I go them and repeat them. Just like Vada, man. Anytime repeat the words, you know. It resonate right away and the baby I will catch it by the pull it back, you know. So that's something you learn. You see me?
Yeah. You know what? Sitting here talking to you, I could see that you had a lot of musical growth. Because I remember at one time you weren't really, you kind of almost feeling too welcoming and too talky. But you see the way how you could express yourself, articulate yourself, boss?
Yeah.
You could see the growth is definitely there, boss.
All right, then, you see, I know I grow in our business now and get more calm and relax, you know. Because you have experience, you know. You go around whole heap of people, you see. So you learn whole heap from everybody where you've been, you go around and them things, you see me? Everybody where you're there, you have to learn something from them. If you can't learn, you're supposed to learn, everybody will learn from somebody and not grow, you know. You see me? So, Merengue, I will know you, Merengue. 2021. Watch this, you know. It's 2021. Then say me done, you know. I really think me I tell you. Them say me done.
How come?
Hold on, man. At that then say.
Yeah.
See? Merengue tell me that's how me rate Merengue from then time. You know why I tell me what them a say? God. The man book me for a show. And you see the show? The man book me pan. I bet you tell me who him book me with the show with.
Who that?
Any name Merengue. The first show. With the elder. Ken Boat.
Ken Boot, boss.
Man put me on a show with Ken Boat. So me I say, Ken Boat. Acoustic man say DJ. I know you a DJ, you can DJ for anything. Acoustic, you put your hand. Man say acoustic DJ, me I say, alright then. So when God the rehearsal mash up, you know. Me I say, it's because weirdness. It's a work, you know. He said, I'm have a power. I'm see something, you know. See him? See him, so we do the show and everything. Ken Boot come and take picture and everything.
Ken Boot, boss.
Ken Boot. See him?
Yeah.
Do that, me and Merengue start linking and say, I'm have reading. So I say, yeah, man. Voice up some songs, start voice up, so. The dog embrace my talent now and I say, alright then, we are the DJ and do it now. And some people I tell the man, say, yo, the dog, Ray, yo, from him and the man in Napa, because me never fight. At 3 years, them hold me out and they give me a song, you know.
So that's okay.
Listen,
Now I get you.
Yeah. So them I say, you're done. Because all of the people are sparks and you not find a song. And even know so I did and I say, alright then, Merengue give me some ready, my son, different thing, you know, because big a thing I talk. At them time I start guitar big and I lock up in my house, you know. See me? Because I go around doing that and one night and I shoot the song with the big red shoes. What's the song name?
Okay, yes, I know which one you're talking about. I can't remember,
name?
but I know when he was, for a little time, he was wearing the red shoes.
Yeah, got the video shoot. I want to say, oh, I don't say, that's some good man right now. Mad everybody did it and man talk to me and man said, dog, stop questioning yourself, yeah. Stop do that. You know, so I straight at me and go. I'm not bother stay for your video shoot.
You got the sign you came for.
Man says stop overthink and stop do that. You see, I say, go back in the house and shoot the next part. I say, come, I'm ready, man, go home. I go back in a me and God the drawing book again and I say, man, sing will stop. What would me do? You know what me do? Eh? Now overthink the true father. You see it? Me overthink and me did it and me I say, alright, go back in. Start this on tune out. The first song me and Merengue put out that hour. Right name again Merengue? Half Moon. See it? And then rap build up Half Moon catch attraction. Roger Wiley depend on the rhythm there too. You see me? So I catch back a traction and try to with the song named Protected Now. You to drop New Year's? January man drop a song there. You take all of my problem to God. Email a song there. See it? You start vibrate. And I say, then you do 365 cause I see everybody gone, you know. So I sing about it, spot them energy, me drift left them and gone. Be a man start move, be a different way, G. You see me? Lucky and come out from a cultural level, come out back, you know. See me?
That was how you reinvented.
More about myself, man. You see me? More about myself. Rasta show me some different period and I go some different place. Come like me a whole Rasta vids. You see me?
Like it should have been in the first place. Iwaata boss.
Yeah, cause remember, you know, you have big man, you know, you have youth now and thing, you know, family and me and man are easy and man say, yeah man, know say frosting more than a DJ. That work, man. You see it from the day I say after work. So you know we did it and I work. And then we did it on Sunday me down me yard and voice on a song named Whisper. You see me? And did it and the man come and say, dog, you see Whisper song gone. In time I know nothing about TikTok and me and the man come and look on it.
Yeah.
See it? Whisper song just see song run
Start move.
And I say, yeah, I catch you back in the Rasta. Yeah. Catch you. I still say Bobs that catch now. Everybody starts saying, yo, man, yeah. Say, you know what happened? Boom again. Tony and the way that jump out. He put him on the next show now. Is that show there? A murder, man.
That's where you catch you. Start catch them.
What? We have the whole place now. Everybody ready to say him done. I baddest thing.
Let me tell you this. This is where you brought this up early in the conversation. Your reggae album.
Yeah.
All right. Words not enough. Let me tell you something. I don't know if you were doing those type of songs before, and I never really heard that. But Badman, let me tell you this. If I did not know that was you, I would think that's almost like Chronix, a protege, one of those type. Badman, yeah, bad.
Rather,
Road boy,
you know say,
yeah, bad.
You know say, big man thing still. You see that reggae album there still? One song, me say Redboom, me have a song, have an idea. See? I have an idea I want to do. So me do the one song, I don't want the song name. Can't say me never give love, that a lie. That's the first one I do. See? Because I go through all the things in my baby mother, you know. See me? I saw that come up, you know, the whole EP. If you listen to the song name on it.
It's all love, and there's one like reality cultural truth.
Yeah,
one
mind game that.
Mind game.
Because everything when I tell you is a mind game thing. Yeah, the EP thing there, it'll tell you everything. What we reason about me I tell you about Kenta and everything and speak and be a thing. You know, get to where you come right full of mind game. Cause I go through something in a last year, you know, with friend and name calling and everything there. So just sing it. Cause that me know if you do, know if you do nothing else. Yeah. But as I tell you, see the first song in can't say, and that inspire me and I say, yo. Cause I tell him build the rhythm, but he must say my build it in a reggae format. I say, alright, I can't get to now. Tryoton give me the reggae. Me ever ask if I go reggae. See him? So it back me up. Mr. Livingston from Big Yard, I say, yo, you me feel like you can't cross over now and go a reggae cause your years you do this thing and your body already in that field, your era, you're done, conquer it already. Try your next thing. So you know, say music is a thing you can't run from it. Every day I learn that. Come back round, man, right on my foot, man. Reggae version, the man go. I tell him, the man be in a reggae. The man say, alright. So reggae now DJ. I know you chop it on. You you have to ease back. So it's like, see beat, yeah? You have to there right as the back of it. So you must say, all right, like the gas pedal DJ, like,
Just tap it like
yeah. Singing a rhythm, DJ. Don't sing with it.
Yeah.
Catch black so in a rhythm. Man, I say, all right, boom, I saw it though.
Yeah.
Can I listen it and to drop, you know? Oh, man, no fall and them know them a bag of nice. He and you together in a paradise. In life we and live, you get them. And I said, no, boom, I don't know that.
Listen, when you listen to those songs, it's like you tapped into your Dennis Brown, Freddie McGregor, Alton Ellis. It's like that what you
Drop
tapped into in your mind.
Drop asleep with the phone on my chest, so. So I drop asleep with the phone on my chest, I listen it the whole time. So I said, no, boom, listen now, I forgot to do an EP. You know. The next day I said, boom, we have to do an EP. I saw now, me and him start, right, it's time, I said, make Tryoton here, Tryoton. I said, DJ, you know, I said, DJ, right now, I'm nervous.
Yeah.
I saw some music with them man. I get Gigi, I say, DJ, right now, it's wicked dog. That him know and see and him know what I gonna do. I mean, I do it because I feel do it.
Yeah, man.
I just come out, so I have to do it. I can't escape it, no time.
That, to me, when I listened to that EP there, that gave you another 20 shows in Europe. If you've never been to Europe before,
Never
that
been
EP there gave you 20 shows in Europe.
And the first time I do reggae, it sound like a years.
Listen, as I said, that right there, when you tour Europe, you're going to tour with a Protege, you're going to tour with somebody, and you might not do your other catalog that you have, you know. But you see that reggae album, boss.
And that, I wonder if you can go back and dance.
Listen, you see when you wheel that out and you're giving them like a real singing, and then you went into the old school style, like some early B&M thing that when you're DJing, boss, but still had a 2026 style. Bad man, you're bad. You're bad.
I bought this thing for you, man. You see that look on myself and laugh like an idiot.
Yeah.
And I laugh, real thing, man, tell me just I laugh, come here, I say, yeah, every day it grew up on me, and every day, man, I say, Father, this is a boost, man, I say, Father, I saw it nice, dog. Even man, I wake up and build up my splish, you know. And then me I listen, you know.
That's the meds, and then you go into whatever.
Yeah.
But you see, those are
them I play right.
those are the meds, boss. You know what I mean?
And them I play the most right too, because it's a difference, a big difference, you know. You show you say, yo, you're a man. You see me?
Like a boy
Big
thing.
man do them thing there. You see me?
You know,
Big man.
versatile.
You song them on it, man. I'll be a big song upon it, man.
Listen, when I listened to it twice fast.
Choose you. That's why you are my lady. You know, long it take me style apart and you can't get it right.
Yeah.
Woman said, no, man. This is like, you do too fast, DJ. Sing it like you mean it.
Yeah.
Man, you sing it with feelings, Jay. This different from dancehall. You have to sing it with feelings.
Mm-hmm.
You bring me joy, my lady. Long for them part, not.
But as I said, when you're flying to Europe, remember this conversation here, boss.
Alien said to you, know, say, you know, this is the festival with the big crowd, and
Listen to me, boss.
this is Europe. I said, yeah, man. He said, you know, I think you understand where. And then everybody said, yo, I think you understand how we got trouble. You know, we got trouble,
And
man.
it's not like it didn't sound like you were trying to think.
No.
You're doing it. And you see the rhythm them? They sound real. You could hear the drum and bass, you could hear the rhythm them are beating about, man. And you're just floating.
Redboom,
Just
man.
a float.
All of the album, it create a mind studio in my house, like my house, in the house. You see them there? See this? So you see a mic there?
Yeah.
At that day. Yeah, Redboom. Yeah, build the rhythm, man. We rather do it. You know I do it? Like every night, man, I say, try. This is not going on, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause every night, I 5 nights straight, you know. Cause me have God is love already. I mean, I say, all right, put it on it. Cause it fit the criteria to God. It's a story, you know, like new movement. So I have to put that in it, you see me? And the mind game doing my voice.
Lad.
Mind game doing my done voice. Can't see me never. I mean, I talk about something, man. I say, yo, I could sing about it now. I say, yo, I sing about that already, man. I tell him about way. The name call, and I say, no, man, I sing about that already, man. And I sing about this in a different way, reggae rebel. I saw the mind game come. Is it
Mad tune.
so the mind game come.
Listen, so then now you have 2 bodies of work under your belt.
Yeah.
One mostly dancehall and one completely reggae.
Yeah.
You're back flying around. You're back in the city. You're doing your things right now.
Right now, I have 2 more EP to drop because me and get have one, and me I go drop one for my son. Cause the CPM and my son own. That one there, I have 5 track upon.
I'm looking forward from what I heard off of that EP, boss. I'm looking forward to that. You gained a double fan now. I was a fan from time, you know. But you gained a double fan. I say, yo, you do reggae.
But everybody say, yo, again, one different fan base now, where I'm more, brother, I can't hear them say that. I don't think you understand a way of trouble. Everybody will call me and that them say. You see me? World music.
The big thing.
World music, man.
What could they expect from you tonight in Toronto, down at Barcode Saturdays? This is your first time in 5 years in the city. What could they expect from you down there?
All right. No solid them have to involve water, though.
Yo, you're full of chat, boss.
And I snore them, man. Water, my name, you know. Fire can't bother than water.
Yeah.
If you create the fire, you need water. If you gas, you need water. Water, then everything in it, so. You see me?
Including us.
So you see, tonight, a stamp of approval. Me know what I'm going to do, you know, the fans them for just fall out and see what I go on, cause we know say girl them little and mad, you know. I make them turn the other way tonight, and them going to give me little, you see it? That's how I go on, man, you see me?
Listen. This conversation, I knew we were going to have a good reason, you know. But I didn't know it was going to be this good, you know, Iwaata. Again, as I said before, you're a man, you know, you'd say 3 words and that's cool.
Right, I touch upon the next topic, man. And the next saying, what you say? You can't judge a book by a cover because you don't know what they end on. And that moment, I say, I saw me look. I say, yo, father, I'm not that approachable look there. You like when people see me, I try to tattoo them, man. But when you know somebody different from when you see them and listen to their music, you see it? You when you hold a big man reason, you say, no, man, you are conscious youth, man. You see me?
You have the Rasta inside you somewhere, even though that's not what you display.
Grandfather was a Rasta man.
But listen, I told boss, you're not here, man.
Yes,
I could see certain things.
Yeah, my ear, I'm bad ear, you know, but I watch this, I breathe, this my ear rough, you know. I saw my grandfather locks them tall and he mush up. Musician and make rhythm and everything. I said, my bex or him drop out. He never get, I'm going to tell you, when we get cut off jeans, them time they pass, you see it, he gets cancer, but in tour the world, man, he work on enough ship.
Okay.
Yeah, he play a drum and them thing there. You see me I say? Bennett, man. Yeah, man, them man, they get the music from. My granduncle was still a cone speaker, you know.
Don't know.
When you skangy owner, you know. Him an artist too, you know. Right around a cash apart, they say him there at the ditch. Him that I'm my uncle, my granduncle, and mother uncle that. Yeah, I'm my grandfather, brother that, you see it? Everybody knows skangy owner. Everybody know him. Veteran, him day night, the man there. That's what I'm sure you say. That's why you know say them say again. I mean all you know. When I drop on shoulder. And that's why I have to make it in the music, cause everybody want the music. Remember I tell you something, I grew up with sound system in my yard. My auntie them used to love dance. My mother love dance. My uncle, me have one next grand uncle who sing till he get sick. So when me start the music, they must say, oh, you nah make it, man. You sing a mad like prof. So it's just a share your father say, you know, when I drop on shoulder for real. When me see me stay and pull through the music. From Kenta, carried 49 years.
Yeah.
Man, you got a big thing that father, man, I tell you. Is it? A big thing that, man.
Water. Maximum respect. Leave some info where they could check out your EPs, your album, anything you have going on TikTok, Instagram, bookings, all that good stuff before we get out of here. The floor is yours, 100%.
You don't know. Instagram, Iwaata, Jet Life. You see me I say, and you can just Google my name, because big now in a way where they can find me. They don't like they can't type in my name on Google. And more like me I come through at the airport, I send them point to you know. Just Google me because you know I say rap pop up. Rap. We never heard that pop up one time, so we use the Google for typing IAAT, everything forward up, every social forward up. And the bookings, they on my Instagram page. You see me I say? Reynolds Entertainment. You see me? Them for every booking so they don't know. Tryoton and the engine and music in the studio and everything, and Merengue them round the said way as big man bridging them we now could do no madness. Although we now do no madness, you know, but
we're still making sure.
Make sure say we're active, you see it? Yeah, and like we now have saying them, but we still run it by them and know say, yo, Father, what you think about this? You see me? Because remember everything, you know, we have to have one steady thing and go towards it. Can't just jump out there. So like, we just run outside and now have no clothes. I'm sick and dead. You have to prepare and put on your thumb.
Fix
I
up.
see him here. You see me? I saw me in the man. We just keep it and do yourself, man. I try to be nobody, man. I just start and nice and make father. But
One player God.
yeah, that interview I met earlier, you know. Man,
see,
it's somebody's man.
Listen, thank you so much for actually sitting up. You understand?
Yeah,
and
man.
big up the boss, Tryoton, for actually making it happen.
Yeah,
been talking no
Big up the brand, big up the brand. See that when your friend there can't remember years we know them man and father. Speak the boss, we know a couple of the school man.
Listen,
Listen,
I remember when you used to come here, I'll go down by the Toronto sign and all them people.
Yeah.
A long time.
Yeah,
You've been in the
a
place.
long time there, man.
You understand? Let me give you an outro and get you out here. This excellent, eye-opening conversation. Even me, it shocked me, boss.
It's cool,
You
man.
understand,
Aye,
Bob?
man.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Acha!
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.